Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. I'm Lizzie, and today I'll be showing you guys some lippies that I ordered from Kylie Cosmetics. And I got the Koko collection, which was a collab that she did with her sister Chloe. It consists of 4 lippies, 3 mattes and 1 lip gloss, and it was about $40. Yeah, I got mine a little bit late because I'm in Jamaica and our shipping system kind of, you know really depend on her. So I'm going to show you guys each of the lippies and how they look on my skin, and I hope you guys find it informative and stuff. Let's get into the video. This is what the box looks like when you first open it. It says Kylie right here, and it has this protective foam piece, and it also comes with a note, and the note says, "Thank you so much for purchasing your Kylie lip kit. I hope you enjoy using it as much as I enjoyed creating it. I put my heart and soul in each and every kit, and I want to thank you for joining me on my journey. XOXO Kylie." I think she has a nice handwriting, by the way. Yeah, I think so. This is what the actual Koko collection looks like. I like the packaging. I like the rose gold kind of. Yeah. On the back it tells the names of the matte liquid lipsticks and the name of the gloss. One of them names I can't pronounce because Kylie a bit too much, but alright. So the first one, and I bet you I eat first. Okay. So the first one is Clo Money. Yeah. Clo Money. So I'm gonna try that on for you guys. Alright, so this is what Clo Money looks like. Honestly, I don't know if it fit my complexion. Tell me what you guys think. I don't think I'll be wearing this, to be honest, because I feel like I look ridiculous. So the next lip color is Gorge, and it looks like a deep plum. Oh god, they smell so good. Yeah, so I'm gonna try that on. And this one is also matte, so it's 3 matte lipsticks and 1 gloss. Yeah, so this is what Gorge looks like on me. I really like it. This one won't get much weird. I really like it. It looks nice on my complexion. Yeah. So this is Gorge. I think I have 2 more left to try. Okay guys, so the next lippy, I hate the name. Let's just start with that. Ochre. Anyways, so this is what it looks like. I still can't get over the smell, by the way. So this is what ochre looks like. Ochre? Yeah, that. I actually like it. I think it fit me. I actually really like it. So it's not showing up true to color on camera because it's more pink. Yeah, I wish it was though, because it's a really pretty color. So guys, the final lippy is in Damn Gina. It's a gloss, and this is what it looks like. I don't know if you can see. It has, wow, I like the brush. It has the specks of glitter in there, so I'm going to try that now. So this is what Damn Gina looks like. Really pretty, and it still smells nice. So all in all, I'm going to try to tell you which one is my favorite, from my least favorite to my favorite. From the 4, my least favorite was Clo Money, just because I feel like it's not woman of color friendly, at least to me. Then Gorge, which I do love, by the way, but you know, I prefer the gloss and ochre. I feel like I have to do my face every time I say it. Yeah, so my favorite was definitely ochre, and then the gloss, and then gorge. Then of course, I'm not really feeling chrome money. The quality was really good, I can tell, and you don't need a lot of coat to apply it, and I really feeling this gloss. Let me tell you about it. I'm really feeling it, and I feel like I'm going to do it really fast. Yes guys, so that was it for my video. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I hope you guys found it informative. Yeah, so you can know whether if you should get it or not. See you in the next video. Bye.